Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how you can make money from YouTube in 2020. Simply guys, if you want to make money in YouTube without any production of some video, just use a Creative Commons video with simple or smart keyword, high volume keyword in YouTube keyword tools. Don't worry about the link, I will put in the description below. H Super Tools, it's a perfect tool it's a perfect and free tool to give you a high volume keyword for your Creative Commons video. Okay guys, let's go to your YouTube channel. Okay, as an example, how to, as you can see, we have many suggestion. Word. Okay, how to make a pancakes. Okay guys, go to the filter and select Creative Commons. As you can see here, okay, we have many video. You can download this video also in this perfect tool, YouTube keyword tool. Okay, I will open this first video. It's a Creative Commons, it's free to use again. Okay, look below guys, license, Creative Commons attribution license, reuse allowed. Okay, you can copy the link for this video and go in this awesome tool, click YouTube download, put here the link, click get, and download this video, open video. As you can see, directed download link available now. Okay, set the destination and save, then click start download. Okay, that's it guys. Now when you finish from downloading this video file, upload to your channel and put a high volume keyword from this awesome H Super Tools web. Okay, here go to YouTube again and click YouTube keyword tool. Okay, take this word, copy, then paste here in the YouTube keyword research tool, then click search. Okay, as you can see here, we have many keyword, filter in the volume. Okay, and select the high volume keyword, as you can see. Okay, it's perfect guys to select a medium or low difficulty. Okay, when you finish, click copy as tag and go to your video tags and paste on video tags, your video tags you want to upload. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.